Hi friends, I'm Chelsea O'Brien. I am the founder and executive director for the Clarkston Family Farm, and I'm here with Maxwell. He comes to everything, and the Monarch Butterfly Festival 2024 Monarch Butterfly Festival is no exception, right? Let's give it up. I don't know if you hear the music. I wish you could smell all the wonderful food and see all of the families and kids, all learners, all ages. We have many hundreds of people coming out for our 6th annual Monarch Butterfly Festival. It is so much fun. It's so much fun. We think and learn and play. We think and learn and play. And that's what we're doing here today. We're thinking a lot about the monarch butterfly and how we can help species like the monarch that are endangered. We're also thinking deeply about nature, we're thinking about community, and we're thinking about how we can do our part to make this little corner of our world, Clarkston, Michigan, a little bit cleaner, a little bit more sustainable, a little bit more beautiful, and a whole lot of fun. Maxwell, do you remember the first rule of the farm?
Have fun.
Have fun. We are having so much fun today at the Clarkston Monarch Butterfly Festival. So they're having a game over there right now called Making a Monarch, and it is about the monarch butterfly life cycle, but it also really speaks to how important it is for us to not only plant host plants like milkweed, not only plant host plants like milkweed, which we need to have. Without those, we wouldn't have the monarch butterfly, but also to plant pollinators. So here today, we've got vendors, we've got food trucks, we've got also some wonderful nonprofits that are here supporting us. Blue Heron is here doing seed balls. We have our library here talking about all the wonderful literature surrounding pollinators and nature and butterflies in particular. Estela Romero from Mexico is talking about that migration. And today, again, thinking, learning, and playing. And I like to say connecting community. Part of our mission is not only educating and inspiring youth, learners of all ages and abilities, but also doing it in a positive community gathering space. Look around you. What a positive community this is today. We love our Monarch Butterfly Festival, and we love you, our friends of the family farm. Can we do a 1, 2, 3, dig it? 1, 2, 3, dig it!